Hello, we're Team Dave, and I'm Jeannie, a senior.
I'm Maggie, a junior.
I'm Dora, a senior.
I'm Kevin, also senior.
We're a community of over 100 people who live with MS and other progressive neurological disorders.
My name is David Hatch. I'm currently living at the Boston home for 13 years. I got a wife, one son, 3 grandchildren. And I graduated from Northeastern in 1963. My problem was I have MS. It's affecting my hands. It's hard to do like a TV remote. I'm hoping to make this easier for me to do.
To help Dave control his TV, we developed an accessible tablet app which can be used from his wheelchair or his bed, and the app interfaces with hardware which is used to control the TV.
So here's our app. When we first started, we were just designing the user interface and the layout of where all the buttons were placed. And something that we had to pay attention to was the placement of all the buttons, since Dave has limited mobility. So we decided to place buttons that required more movement on the left side, since it was easier for Dave to reach. And something else that we had to add was a lot of labels, since he found it very confusing. We had a lot of different pages, so that's why we have so much text on our app. And also, something that we added later was the sectioning to maintain consistency across all the pages, so that Dave never got confused as to where the volume controls are placed or where all the buttons were placed, or the power button and all the other buttons.
For our project, we needed to figure out how to communicate with the TV. The way a normal remote communicates with the TV is by blinking an IR LED, which sends a signal for a specific command. So we just decided to mirror this using an Arduino and an LED. In this example, we'll show you with a colored LED so you can see the actual light blinking. Essentially, we recorded the signals off of the remote and then programmed them to be sent from an Arduino powering an LED whenever it receives a command over Wi-Fi from an iPad.
This application has makes it possible for me to use the TV control in my chair. It was well done.